Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your own do-it-yourself hand sanitizer using an aloe vera plant. We're also using 91% isopropyl alcohol and any essential oil of your choice. Now, as you can see here, I'm cutting up the aloe plant and we're cutting that into little cubes. Be very careful with this step, especially since you're using a knife. You don't want to cut yourself. And also make sure that the tools that you use for mixing are properly sanitized. Otherwise, you could contaminate the whole thing. As you can see, we're going to use 2/3 cup of 91% isopropyl alcohol. Now, your sanitizer mix must be at least 60% alcohol for it to be effective. It's better to go above that, and you can. You can aim for a minimum of 75%. A bottle of 99% alcohol is the best thing to use, but as you can see today, we have 91%. Which is all I was able to find, especially during this time. Now, don't get scared. The mixture does look white, but it does become clear as the time goes on. So don't worry about the color at this point. As you are aware, bottles of hand sanitizer do sell out quickly, especially during public health crisis, especially now because of a coronavirus. Now, essentially what you do is mix 3 parts of isopropyl alcohol to 1 part aloe vera gel. Add a few drops of any essential oil, and what I did today was add 5 drops of essential oil, and I made about 6 ounces of the mix. Aloe vera is very soothing for your skin. It's amazing. And what better time to make your own hand sanitizer than now? We want to be safe, but literally no stores have hand sanitizer. So if you can find an aloe plant, and most likely you already have the alcohol at home, this is a perfect mix. Guys, if you like the video, please make sure to like it, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, talk to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.